Hey everyone, welcome to day 7. We're going to begin today seated at the back of the mat, just relaxing the shoulders away from the ears, resting the hands on the knees, close the eyes, and settling into this moment by finding our breath. Inhale through the nose and exhale, let it go. Noticing the air enter our body, filling up our chest, our rib cage, and our belly. Taking 2 more breaths here. And sweeping the arms up as you inhale, we're going to take a side stretch, dropping the left hand down, reaching the right arm up and over. Inhale back to center. Switching sides, drop down the right hand, reach through the left fingertips. Once more on each side with your breath, inhaling to center, exhale to the left. Inhale to center, exhale reaching to the right. Inhale the arms up and then release them down as you exhale, coming into tabletop position, finding a neutral spine, and warming up the spine with some cat and cow. Inhale, drop the belly, look up, and exhale, draw the belly button to the spine, drop the chin to the chest, cat pose. 3 more times with your breath. Inhale to cow and exhale to cat, firmly pressing through the palms and the tops of the feet. Coming back to center, we're going to extend our right arm to the top of the mat, and as you exhale, push the arm to the right side of the mat. Inhale, bring it forward. Exhale to the side. Inhale forward. Exhale out. 2 more times. Inhale to the front. Exhale to the side. And then dropping the hand back down, we're going to switch sides. Extend the left arm forward, rounding down through the right palm. Exhale, bring it to the left side of the mat. Inhale, bring it forward. Exhale to the side. Inhale forward. Exhale, push back. 2 more with your breath. Dropping the hand down, we're just going to extend our right leg long, tucking the toes, and just gently pulsing or finding any movement to stretch out the calf and the ankle. And gently switching sides, dropping the right knee down and extending through the left leg. Just finding any movement that feels nice to this side of the body. Exhale, drop it back down. On your inhale, extending the right leg to the back of the mat, engaging through the glutes. And as you exhale, just tapping the right toes to the mat with the leg extended straight. Inhale, lift it up, and exhale, drop it down. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale, release. 2 more. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, drop down. And then switching sides, extending the left leg long, pressing through the palms of the hands and engaging the glute. Inhale here, and exhale, tap the toes to the mat. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, drop down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, tap the toes. 2 more. Inhale up. Exhale, drop. Coming back to tabletop position, tucking the toes under, lift the hips high, press back, downward facing dog as we pedal out the feet, just gently opening up the hamstrings, the backside body, pressing the chest towards the thighs, and just allowing the head to be heavy and the neck to be super loose. Decompressing the spine and pressing firmly through the palms of the hands, spreading the fingertips wide. And as you're ready, finding stillness in this pose by extending the legs as much as possible for you today. Taking 2 deep breaths here. And with your exhale, coming back to tabletop position, we're going to take a side plank variation by reaching the left foot towards the top of the mat and extending the right leg long towards the back of the mat. Reach your right arm up to the sky, squaring the shoulders and the hips to the right side, and then reaching your right arm towards the top of the mat, opening through the right side body, breathing deeply as we open up through the rib cage. One more breath. And on your exhale, coming back to center, switching sides, taking your right foot to the right side of the mat, extending the left leg long, and reaching your left arm to the sky. Reach your hand to the top of the mat, opening up the left side body here, taking your gaze up if you can. Inhaling deeply. Exhale as you come back to center, and then making our way over to your mat, coming down onto your back, planting the feet shoulder width apart, allowing the knees to fall to center as they touch, and then keeping the back and the shoulders firmly on the mat. Just let the knees both fall to the left side of the mat. And slowly and gently as you inhale, bring them back to center and drop them to the right. Just sending them back and forth a few more times, releasing tension through the hips. And as you're ready, coming back to center, we're just going to extend the legs long into Shavasana, allowing the feet to fall open, resting the arms alongside the body with your palms facing up. Just softening through the body here. Relaxing the shoulders away from the ears. Taking a moment to still our minds and our bodies. And thank ourselves for getting on the mat today, doing something good for our well-being. And gently bringing awareness back to the body, wiggling the fingers and the toes. Blink your eyes open. And as you're ready, coming to the center of your mat in a seated position. Taking a final inhale together, reaching the arms up, pressing the palms together, and bringing them to heart center. I thank you for joining me for this class today. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Namaste.